We are pleased to show you the 2017 Lincoln MKX. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.7-liter engine, and comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, electronic parking brake, remote engine start, stability control, roll stability control, braking assist, power brakes, traction control. Inside you'll find airbags, front knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function, capless fuel filler system, cruise control, multifunction display, child safety locks, one-touch windows, 4 airbags, passenger occupant sensing deactivation, power steering, cargo area light. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.